Hello guys, we got I Can Only Imagine on Blu-ray and DVD. Here's the front side, the back. A+, Ray, Mission, and Will Inside. Dennis, Carl, and Tess are in the inspired true story behind Mattress Beloved. It's on wanting from a terminal home life in a broken relationship. Bert, Martha, Marshall find escape in music, hitting the road in a desperate tour bus. Bert and his band set out on an amazing journey. None of them could ever have imagined in this inspiring music-filled movie that beautiful and sense the power of forgiveness and God's love. It's PG for some sentiments and some violence. So the front, side, the back. Here's what the disc looks like. Okay, the disc looks good. Yep, this was good. And here's the code. So that's I Can Only Imagine on Blu-ray and DVD unboxing. You guys have a nice day.